What is KnowIT? KnowIT is a cloud-based user activity monitoring system. KnowIT is designed to help businesses understand employee behavior, measure employee productivity, and detect insider threats. In this video, we will be covering the 3 main points that you need to understand before you can start using KnowIT effectively. First, we will see how to set up global information for the account. Next, we shall see how to install the KnowIT software on a device. And finally, we will see where the collected data for a device can be viewed. KnowIT is installed on all your company devices. After installation and activation, the devices will immediately start sending data to the KnowIT Administrator portal for analysis. If you have just purchased KnowIT, you'll have received an email where you can see the URL and credentials to log in. You may want to change these to something more memorable later. We're now ready to set up your KnowIT account and install KnowIT on a device. To do this, we log back into the KnowIT Administrator portal. The first thing we will do is to set up the company information. This allows you to personalize the KnowIT dashboard with your company details, as well as set up the company workdays and employee holidays. To do this, we click Tools and Company Information. On the Company Information page, there are data fields about the company and its workdays. The company information is for your own reference and not mandatory. But you must set up the company workdays to ensure you get meaningful attendance and productivity reports. There are 4 parts to setting up the company workdays. Let's go through them now. First, we must set the company work time. This is the default time your employees start and finish work. The default is 8 a.m. until 5 p.m., but you can change this to whatever you wish. And we can also set the work days. The work days are the normal days of the week that your employees work. The default is Monday to Friday. We can also set break time. This is time when your employees are allowed to not work without affecting productivity. Examples are lunch breaks or smoke breaks. We now need to add the company holidays. As every company is different, the company holiday list is empty by default. Therefore, the administrator needs to add the company holidays as required. As an example on how to do this, we'll show you how to add Christmas as a company holiday. From the calendar, choose December 25th. And now, let's name the holiday. So we will type in Christmas. And we click Add when complete to add the holiday to the company holiday list. The administrator continues adding holidays to the list until all company holidays have been added. Let's move on to the second thing we said we would cover, which is how to install KnowIT onto our devices. KnowIT provides a wizard for installing the software onto a PC, Mac, or mobile device. This is accessed through the Tools menu, and then simply clicking the Install Device Software option. Here, we can choose whether to install KnowIT onto a PC, Mac, or mobile device. In this video, we're going to show you how to install onto a PC. Mac and mobile devices will be covered in another video. On the download screen, we have a very important piece of information, which is the license code. This is needed to activate KnowIT after installation. After clicking the Download button, you must save the KnowIT installation file to your PC. Running the KnowIT installation file will start installing KnowIT on the PC. Type in your license key when asked to activate KnowIT and click Activate to activate KnowIT. Finally, after activation, KnowIT detects the web browsers you have installed on your computer. KnowIT supports Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, and Google Chrome. If any of your installed browsers require additional configuration in order for KnowIT to capture webmail, you must install the KnowIT browser plugin for each listed browser. Full details for how to install these plugins are given in the clickable Knowledge Base link shown on the screen. Clicking the Knowledge Base link describes the steps to install the browser plugins for your chosen browser. After installing the browser plugins, simply click Close to complete the installation of KnowIT. KnowIT has been successfully installed on your PC. Now we must log in to the KnowIT Administrator portal to view the captured device data. Once back inside the KnowIT Administrator portal, we can now see that there is one license listed. This confirms it has been activated and is ready for use. Let's see the data from that device. All captured data from your devices is stored in a device dashboard for that device. The device dashboard can be opened from the Favorite Employees menu or from the All Devices menu. Let's open the All Devices menu. Here, you can see all devices in the company. To see data from any of the listed devices, you can open the device dashboard for that device. You can also add any device listed here to your Favorite Employees list. Simply click the Action button for that device and choose Add to Favorites. Let's now open a device dashboard. To do that, we simply click the Action button again and click View Device Dashboard. On the device dashboard, you can easily see at a glance all captured information from that device. Now, let's exit from here and show you how to access this same device dashboard using the Favorite Employees page instead. For this, let's go to the Main menu again and click Favorite Employees. Here, you can see all the devices that we have already added to the Favorite Employees list. Clicking on any of the listed employees will take us to the device dashboard for that device. The device dashboard also allows us to edit information about that device, request screenshots, access employee tools, such as managing the employee work schedule or setting up employee absences, and to get more information about the device connection status. Each device dashboard also shows trackers for each device. Trackers are clickable tiles which contain information uploaded from that device. This means you have trackers for each kind of captured information from the employee's device, such as emails, browser history, IM chats, and so on. Depending on the version of KnowIT purchased and the device it has been installed onto. All you have to do is click any of the listed trackers and the captured data is displayed. Trackers can also be added or removed from the device dashboard. This is useful if you are only interested in tracking specific information from a device. You simply add or remove trackers as required. This allows you to create your own customized device dashboard for each employee's device. This concludes the KnowIT Getting Started tutorial. In this video, you've learned how to log into the KnowIT Administrator portal for the first time, how to set up your company information, how to install KnowIT onto a PC, and finally, how to view captured data from that device using the KnowIT device dashboard. If you found this video useful, we would be delighted if you could let us know by clicking the like button. If you have any suggestions as to how to make this video better, please send us your comment by clicking here.